Hi kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. We are going to start with a new chapter today, that is your chapter 6, using a mouse. So we know mouse is also an important component of computer. What it does, it is actually a pointing device which we'll learn today, that how using the mouse we can draw pictures, we can point, we can select folder, file, we can open, we can drag the files and folders. So all these things we are going to learn in this chapter today. So let's begin with mouse. Features of mouse. How to hold a mouse. Using the mouse buttons. Dragging a mouse. So let's just start the chapter.
Kitty, look around you. There is a mouse. Oh yes, it looks like a computer mouse. Yes, it also has a tail like my computer mouse. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is very important part of the computer. It is used to point, move or select items on a computer screen. It is also used to draw and paint. Features of mouse. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It generally has a wire, which is fixed to the CPU. When you move the mouse, the pointer also moves on the monitor. How to hold a mouse? Place the index finger on the left mouse button. Place the middle finger on the right mouse button. Hold the mouse with the rest of the finger and thumb. Rest your palm on the mouse. Using the mouse buttons. Pressing the mouse button once is called single click. This selects an item. This click is also called left click. Pressing the left mouse button twice is called double click. This makes 2-click sound and opens an item. Pressing the right mouse button once is called right click. It also gives the single click sound. Dragging a mouse. Clicking and holding the left button while moving the mouse is called dragging. You can drag the mouse to move the object from one place to another on the computer screen. You can also drag the mouse to draw shapes and pictures.